This video portrays the love between brother and sister. This is the most realistic leggings I have ever seen. People helped this boy steal the ball from ongoing football match. This person tried to fight a forklift driver, and look what he did.
What you doing?
I'm looking for fish.
This frozen ice looks very clear. The horse's jaw numbs after anesthesia. The cat tried the trick done by human. This skier fell from 150 feet off cliff. Luckily he got survived with no injuries.
Thank you. My head hurts a little and my ribs from the back. But I think I'm good.
Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay strong, stay safe.